Oh my gosh. You can't really see this, but it's so windy outside right now. Hello, good morning and welcome. I am in not Sydney. That feels weird to say. Got like 9 hours of sleep, so I'm feeling so refreshed right now. And we are about to leave for the main city of Dubrovnik. I spoke with Ivo for a bit, and I think there is a bus route. I think it's the bus route number 10. That's roughly 2 kilometers away from this accommodation here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get packed and I'm going to make my way to the bus route and hope that I can take that all the way to Dubrovnik. Yeah. Alright, we're packed up and it's time to head off. Guys, they've got this little book here from all of the past guests who have stayed in this house. They've all written these little like nice and thankful messages about their time and their stay here in the fishing family fishing house. I think what I should do is I should do my own as well. Okay, am I going the right way? No, this is incorrect. Wrong way. Off to a great start. Okay, we gotta head down the road here, and I believe we have to make a left turn and then just make another left at the first exit. I think we've made it to the main road. Now, I didn't really think this through, but I really hope that there's a walkway here. Oh my gosh. Yo, I don't think there is. We're just gonna lift to the nearest bus stop, which is just across the road right now, pretty close. Okay, so potentially really bad news. I'm fairly sure that Mosisi, the 11, 27 and 38, that's where we are right now. So this bus stop, it only services 11, 27 and 38. The problem is that 11, the next one is at 2:20. 27, the next one's at 2:15, and for 38, the next one is at 12. I think if this is true, then I'm going to be waiting here for a really long time, which is not what I want to do. This leaves me with no option except for flagging down a taxi. I think this is actually pretty sad because a bus came by roughly 5 minutes ago. I wasn't sure what to make of it, so I didn't do anything about it. But looking back, it might have been the 10:15 one for the route 27. That might have been the one that would have taken me to Dubrovnik, and I just missed out because I'm an idiot. Hello, we just made it to Dubrovnik. Took a taxi, really nice guy, we were talking the entire time. Big football fan, got a lot of recommendations as well for things to do and places to eat. But look at this, here we are. We're in the main city now. I think you can sort of barely see the coastline just over there. Got some mountains here as well. Apparently there are a few good islands that I should visit if I have the time to, maybe on the next few days. But definitely for today, just need to unpack and just chill. Figure out a bit of a game plan for Dubrovnik. Hello. So just checked in at the hostel, everything is in order. They open up the rooms at roughly 1 p.m. so I have a bit of time to kill. Hello. Just had some classic bacon and eggs. As much as this is a holiday for me, I do have a bit of an idea going on. This thing is going to be the bread and butter of my entire vacation. So what this is, I've basically solicited a bunch of help from friends and also from myself to come up with a bit of a bingo. Now these things are all like fun, quirky stuff. I've got things like take a picture of every pigeon, of a pigeon in every single city. I've got some stuff like meet another Aussie, use a lot of different transportation modes, get a stomach ache, that's going to happen eventually. And specifically for today, there's kind of really 2 things that I want to work on. The first one is number 16 here, explore a night market. The other thing is number 5, visit 5 museums. So obviously I don't think I can do all of that in one day, but I definitely want to work towards that by maybe getting 1 or 2 museums done at the end of today, but we'll figure that out as we go. We want to get down there by the water where all the boats are. I think it'll be fun if I try to minimize usage of Google Maps. You want to explore it organically. You don't want to just like rely on maps and geography that has been predetermined for you to know your way. I think part of the fun is getting lost and finding your way again. So that's what I'm going to try and do. This might be something. There's a stair that goes down here. Stair goes down, but it also goes all the way up, like way up there. The taxi guy that took me over here, he was talking about how Croatia has a pretty strong football or soccer culture. And you can definitely see it here. There's a bunch of kids just playing in like a little soccer field. It's honestly really quiet. I wasn't expecting it to be this not busy. Like I know I'm visiting Croatia off season. I think most people would prefer to come here during summer, and I'm visiting in spring, but like even still. Hello. We have reached the shore. Well, I guess the harbor technically. We've got like a ship in repairs here or something. We've got like a market here as well, like a little fish and fruits market. I'm on a bit of a quest right now to find some pigeons because one of the bingo items is take a photo of a pigeon in every single place I visit. There's a few birds here. To be honest, I don't know if they're pigeons or not. Maybe that's a pigeon. And the thing that's still just is bonkers to me is if you look up there, look at how high it goes. You've got just buildings and houses stacked on top of each other. Like, could you imagine making the climb and getting to the very top of that hill and looking down? Maybe I should do that at some point. We have reached the wharf here. Look how clean the water is. It looks so nice. We've gathered a bit of intel. These are indeed the ships that can take you to the different islands. But yeah, for now, I think definitely we are just going to head back to the hostel. I'm going to get changed, come back a new man. Hey, sorry, what was your name again?
Mateus.
Matheus. Matheus.
Jack.
Jack, yeah. Yeah, just walking around.
Around and the road seat.
Do you want to go together?
Yeah.
Yeah, because I don't have any plans for today.
What time now? Oh.
How do you feel? Have you had food yet?
I'm hungry.
Really hungry. Oh, I just had lunch.
Yeah.
So I'm honestly okay right now, and maybe go in 30 minutes, an hour.
It's okay. It's okay.
Okay, sound good. All right, we just checked in. Here's our dorm. Just unpacking right now. The other guy who was in here, Matthias, he is our dorm mate, and he's also solo traveling here in Dubrovnik. So we've actually decided to just go to the old city together. I'm gonna get changed into something a bit more comfortable and a bit cleaner. But yeah, we're gonna explore together.
In Australia.
Oh really?
In Sydney, Melbourne, and Brisbane.
Have you been?
No. I would like, but it's long away from Brazil.
Yeah.
And it's very expensive. Very expensive.
Yes. There's a little joke in Sydney where the eggs are very expensive. So
Really?
everyone keeps making fun of the egg prices and saying that, oh, I can't afford eggs anymore. Hello. We've made it to the old city. Look at how beautiful the coast is. Apparently there's a little known show called Game of Thrones. I don't know, I never watched it. That's been filmed here. The birds that I filmed earlier, I'm not sure if they were pigeons or not, but I do know for a fact that these little avian creatures here, 100% pigeons. So I'm gonna get part of my bingo done. Done. About to enter the wars. And
Ooh, it's very
oh wow!
very good.
I don't know.
I'll make it look good. I think maybe like that would be nice. Yeah.
You wanna?
Yeah, just a quick one. Maybe just a very quick landscape.
Okay.
Yeah. Thanks. You have the coffee beans, or like,
Yeah.
and you put it in, and you crush the beans. You pour hot water in, and it filters down.
Yeah, Brazilian beans, Colombian beans.
That's a lot more impressive than me because I get like the huge glass, and you use a spoon, you take it out. It's instant coffee. It's the really bad one.
It's what you have in hostel.
Yeah, I'm just used to it.
But it's okay. It's good.
Yeah, I mean, I just need the caffeine. I need to wake up. Oh, I think that's Buza or Buza.
Buza?
Yeah.
Buza bar. Yeah.
The one that's overlooking the ocean. You can like, yeah, jump down. Yo, look at this little cubby hole. Ooh, a little gel. Oh my god, the echo. Look at how cute this is. You get like a little peephole into the ocean. Ooh. All right, out of jail. Yo, we are in a museum right now. This is actually really interesting because it feels like Dubrovnik has been pretty heavy on trade, especially by sea. Most of their transport and their wares were carried in these huge ceramic jugs and containers, mainly just used to trade fruits and other metallic products. And most of the stuff that they found, they were all done by archaeological digs in the ocean because of how heavily involved in trade by sea Dubrovnik was. There's a lot of ships which have sunk in this general coastal region. Like every single side of the city wall you go on, you get like a different and very unique perspective on the entire city. Because from here, you get both the mountain range, but also you get the castle on the other side as well. You got like a bit of the best of both worlds. And right in between, just a whole bunch of boats, this massively busy harbor. We started over there and walked all the way around. Yeah. Up here now, it's very quiet as well, but as soon as you look over, it's just cars everywhere. Just like one side buildings, other side cars everywhere. The war keeps us safe. Why do we build these walls, my children? I don't know, I haven't seen the entirety of Hades Town yet. I believe this is the highest vantage point in the entire old city. Yo, I found another cubby hole. Like, literally the highest point in the entire old city. And you have the perfect opportunity to look down. I swear, if I drop my GoPro right now, please don't drop the GoPro. But look at this. Look at how massive, like, it's hard to get like a sense of scale for the city when you're in amongst it, but when you're like on the very top overlooking it all, it's massive. It's absolutely astounding how big it is. It just keeps on going, keeps on going. All right, we've just finished exploring the walls. Really cool stuff. You get such a nice view of the entire city. It's genuinely so worth it. But we are here on the main street. A lot of shops around, but the main thing is that everything is so overpriced. Like we saw a seafood platter for two for 70 euros. So 35 euros per person. That's too expensive, man. That's way too expensive. Wow. 10 euros. Is that a beach?
Yes.
Oh.
Is it behind the wall? There's pretty much beach.
Ah. Everything costs money. The plan right now is to go to a beach. So there's a local beach we found, which is actually not a private one, which is good for us because there is such thing as private beaches we have found. It's pretty close. It's like a 10-minute walk. I just really like pigeons. There's a lot of them in Sydney as well, and they're really nice. God, I love pigeons so much. Pigeons are amazing. S tier bird. I have found a vantage point. Oh wait, hang on, what the hell? There's so many ants here. Oh hell no. Man, I've had so many bad experiences with ants. I am not going that way. There are ants everywhere. Abandoned ship, we're not going up there anymore. Oh my gosh. This is genuinely like a fever dream. Look at how pretty this is. So we got there around 2 p.m.
Have a nice view.
Beautiful beach. There's nobody there. It's just us walking.
In Bosnia, I had hiking 15.
Wait, 15 or 50?
15.
Oh.
No, 15.
15 kilometers, wow. Oh, it's right here. I wonder how expensive this is. Let's have a look. Oh, this is the
Just to wait.
Alright, so Matthias, he's going back to the hostel, but I'm taking this gondola. We're gonna head all the way up to the very top there and see what there is to be seen. Very exciting. Look at this view. Okay, you know what? Yeah, no, this was so worth it. Look at this. You can see the entire island from here. Here's the old city, and I think our accommodation is like somewhere nestled in between those buildings down there somewhere. All right, we are one level higher, and it's suddenly 10 times windier for some reason. Here's the gondola that we traveled up in. They've got like a radio tower over there, and they've got some old ruins. I'm not sure whether you can go there, or whether that's like a separate tourist package. There's also a shop down here, probably like 20 euros, I don't know, for like a tiny piece of bread.
If I take one more step, Mr. Frodo, I'll be the furthest I've ever been from home. Mr. Frodo, can you believe it? We're in Croatia now. What are you yapping at about the One Ring and orcs and Isengard? Wake up, Mr. Frodo, we gotta explore Croatia.
So yeah, that was the gondola ride. Amazing. The view you get is insane, and I kind of wish I would have waited until it was sunset to come back here and do the exact same ride, because I imagine that this would be 10 times better. I reckon it's time to just head back to the hostel and just chill for the rest of the evening. It's going to be a pretty early start tomorrow. I think the tour that I'm going on, it begins at roughly 6:30 in the morning. So I need to get myself enough sleep. Otherwise I'm going to be dead tired tomorrow. You guys, before I make it back, have a look at this amazing, spectacular sunset. Oh my gosh, it's breathtaking. Just checking in really quickly with the bingo list at the end of the day. What have we done in the first day? One museum. No, two museums. I went to the art museum of a particular local artist and also a Dubrovnik general history museum. Meet 12 nationalities, working my way there, but I have not gotten to 12 yet. No night market, so that might have to be another night for me to get that done. So making progress. I got a few of them done, but definitely not as much as you'd expect, but that's okay, first day.